Hi guys, it's Friday. Guess where we are? It's not hard to guess. We are in IKEA. So we're gonna eat now and then we're gonna shop. They have lots of stuff for New Year's and I need all of it, of course. Every year I want to buy this. I will show you what I will buy this year, I think. Beautiful. Guys, it was a very long trip to IKEA. We bought everything. No, we bought a lot of stuff that we really needed, and we brought Simba to the new house. He's stressed, and the only way he's not screaming is on me. That's the way when he's like stable and calm. Andrew is still in the process of bringing some stuff from the house. I have a bunch of boxes and bags here that I will need to unpack. And I'm doing a Russian salad, winter salad, Olivier salad. I'm trying to at least, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to stand up. What else? Yeah, we also bought some groceries and we also went to Leroy Merlin to get some lighting and a new shower basically. Yeah, hopefully today. Okay, I'm gonna unpack some today and we definitely need to make we need to undo the old bed and we need to make the new one. So it's something, yeah, we really need to do. Oh, guys, the camera died while I was filming for you. And I have no idea when. And I'm going to show you how it is in the end tomorrow. Because now we are just like deadly tired. But really happy for us to be sleeping on the new mattress. And like have a back pain relief. I'm also gonna show you tomorrow what we bought in IKEA. Guys, I'm tired and I have lack of sleep, so I forgot to start filming for you how we deconstructed the old bed. Here's Simba. Yeah. So now we are starting to put together a new bed, and I'm gonna put you on.
Surrender to the sound. Boy, forget the crowd. Harmonies aloud.
Saturday morning. You ready to see what we bought in IKEA? I am. Just a sec. Окей. И вот эту, которая вторая, ближе вот к нам, вот как на угол ты показал. Andrew is installing the little lightnings for the kitchen, and I'm showing you the IKEA. So let's try to do it quick. A little blanket for the first floor, like a New Year one. It's a cheap one, but it's a nice color, and it works really well with this white one, which is also for the first floor. So for one of the couches. Whoop. The other blanket is this one. It's also for another couch, and this is the color of the couch, so it fits perfectly. Then we have two blankets for our rooms. One blue for Andrew's room and one pink for my room. Whoop. Then oven mittens and additional things. Oven mitten one. Is it the English? You understood what it is. Then I already have those, but I decided to take two more. Hangers, just simple one, plastic ones. Ooh, this is something I'm gonna show you later when I'm gonna install it, but this is a New Year's thing. And it's also for New Year candles, not only for New Year. Mushrooms, I had those in Russia. I bought some more. Napkins for the kitchen. Okay. Frame, just simple frame. Knife for bread. Toilet brush. Containers for the salads. More candles, green long ones. Oop. Those are the covers for the pillows for my room because I have like a couch in there. So those are the covers and those are the pillows. This is the, let me see. Okay, it's like a little carpet for the table, for Andrew's table. Some more candles, red ones. That's it. Then there's a lighting that we use in the kitchen, and Andrew will need this one now, I think. New shower. We're gonna change the one that we have upstairs. I actually just showered, and the water pressure is, I'm almost crying about how good the water pressure is and how bad it was in the previous house. Curtain for Andrew's room, but we're gonna split it and saw it. So yeah, we're gonna use it somewhere else as well. A little carpet. I wanted to buy it for 2 years in a row, and on the third year I thought I should buy it. These are not from IKEA. We bought it in Leroy Merlin. Also, we bought smart lamps in Leroy Merlin, and Andrew already installed one in his room, and it looks so great. Different, you can put different colors. You can put the light from cool to warm. Towels for the bathroom on the first floor. 2 similar ones. Then New Year's horse. It's made out of green glass and it's really heavy. Here, some more candles. And some more. And also I got LED lights in Leroy Merlin, 2 packs of 4 meters, I think, almost 5 meters. A frame, some more Christmas stuff, and this is for the bed sheets. Simba. Okay, that's it. We also bought the 4 of those for the chairs in the kitchen. That's it. So guys, I had a friend over. We had a very nice walk, and then I walked her to the bus. We also went to get rid of some plastic and paper waste, rest a bit, and then we did some stuff in the living room. And now I'm doing stuff in the kitchen, and Andrew went to make my table. I bought a new table for myself from IKEA. I will show you the living room a little bit later. And I just remembered, I will put you on the time lapse here while I'm still doing stuff in the kitchen. But it started to be less busy, less intense in here, and I'm very happy about it.
Sacred words inside us fit in yes words and thunderbolts. Sacked old dreams, new mediocre, find new ways to overdrive. You can find me out there. Look for that circling square. Can you see me? I'm right here. I'm right here. Little too soon, bound to the moon, mystery veils and shadow work.
morning, guys. It's Sunday. Yesterday night was really, really windy. It's still a bit. If you can see, I think you can see. But at night it was crazy windy. I woke up several times because I was afraid that something will just break the glass or the car. And it was making breakfast. And I'm gonna make tea. We really did a good job yesterday sorting out the stuff around. It's still not ideal, but we are going there slowly. We've put this is a new hanger that we bought in IKEA, the standing one. We've put our shoes stand in here next to this mirror. We've put another table that was in here. We put it there, and we have our keys, our bags. Yeah, I have a bunch of stuff for New Year in there, and I will decorate once we are done. I have a bunch of stuff that I need to take upstairs from here. We also put this this thing that was in our bedroom in here, and I store there some shoes that we don't need at the moment. And also Simba realized that he can use this small window in the bathroom to go back and forth. And yesterday he was going back and forth through several windows and doors, and he was really happy about it because he can just like circle around the house. Yeah, we're gonna have a breakfast now, and then I think we're gonna do some more work. We have a little bit of stuff that is in the other house. So yeah, we need to finish it here, and then I will need to go there and prepare the house to give it up to a landlord. Okay, let's proceed. Let's do what I've been doing for the last several days. I will find a nice place for you. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? This one is really good, but I can't attach a camera here. Oh, maybe here. Oh yeah, it works. Cool.
Catch the moment, young believer. Which sound is better when you greet me?
When you greet me, I'm going to be standing right here.
Wounds unravel for us. Sing again. Skeletons are now our friends.
So guys, I partially cleaned the bedroom and put the clothes in places. Now I need to cook some potatoes and carrots and eggs in order to make some more salad, because we are out of salad and I need more. So yesterday we bought the ingredients and I need to do that. Guys, the weather changed. It got coldish. It's around 11 degrees outside. It's kind of cold for us. I have and Andrew also had some sort of headache. I also have some sort of headache and nausea. I assume it's because of the pressure drop or something, like blood pressure. So yeah, that's how I'm talking. So those were the weekends. We went to a grocery store, got some coffee for me for tomorrow and some sweets, chocolate. I made salad. I think I already said that. I made another salad and yeah, I'm just gonna rest now because I just can't deal with this stuff happening in my head. I see you very soon. Thank you for being with us. Bye bye.